Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. This time I'm gonna be looking at this Sagem my511x phone, which I've got from a friend. Okay, so as you can see, the phone I have received like this. It has a battery but no charger. I also have received from my friend a pair of headphones, which I have right here with the connector for the phone. And my friend said that the phone was working, so all I did was I have bought a charger, very cheap, with the correct end here, and right now the phone is turning on. It's a little bit slow, but it's turning on. Okay, so after a bit of testing, I have realized that some of the buttons right here don't work properly. For example, this one, you have to press it really hard to work. So is the 9. You have to press like really hard to work. So I'm gonna disassemble this phone and clean it. So I'll be back after I have all of the tools needed. Also, you can see how dirty it is on the back. Okay, I've got all I need. So now I'm gonna start by removing the back cover. Okay, you just have to go around the phone and it will come off. Now I'm gonna have to remove the battery. And finally I have to remove the screws, which is here. So I'm not gonna show you guys how to remove the screws, and I'm gonna do it off camera, and also I'm gonna put all of the screws here. Okay, so I have finished removing a total of 6 screws, which you can see right over right now, 7 screws, sorry. Okay, and now the face of the phone should just lift. I'm gonna try to gently pry it out. Okay, so the face is off. Now all I have to do is try to cleaning these contacts here, and also I'm gonna try cleaning the rest of the phone. So I'm gonna be back with my cleaning stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take a Q-tip, dip it into some alcohol, and then I'm gonna start cleaning this face first. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna show you the whole cleaning process, but I'm gonna show you at the end the amount of dirt that has come off this phone and the finishing result. Alright guys, so I have finished cleaning the phone a little bit, and this is the amount of dirt that was inside. Alright, so now I'm gonna try powering up the phone and see if the keys work properly or not. I'm just gonna put back the battery and try powering it on to see if it works. And I'm gonna use this microfiber cloth to clean the screen. And I'm gonna clean it once again before reinstalling. Okay, so the keys work now. I'm gonna power up the phone and reassemble it and see if my problem is fixed permanently or not. Okay, so see you guys after I put the phone back together. Alright, so I have finished putting all of the screws back. Now I'm gonna test the phone again, see if it works. I hope it will work. Alright, so let's see, the 9 and the DS was a problem, so the 9 it's working excellent now. Okay, let's see the DS. Yeah, it works now. So the cleaning was everything it needed. So for you to see, the 1 works, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I don't have any more space, so the 9, the star, 0, and DS. So everything works just fine. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Alright, I forgot to show you the end result of the back cover, which I have also cleaned. You can see it shines now. It's a lot better than before. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. See you next time.